Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Kim. I joined Ocala Eye in 2018 and I'm an oculoplastic surgeon. I specialize in the medical and cosmetic repair of eyelids and reconstruction of eyelids. This includes correcting eyelids that are heavy, sagging, drooping, rolling in or rolling out. I also remove growths and skin cancers from eyelids or repair eyelids after skin cancer removal. A common problem people can have with eyelids is that over time gradual changes occur to our tissues. Our eyelids become heavy and saggy and can actually block the vision significantly. So in addition to cataract surgery improving your visual function, having a eyelid surgery to help lift some of the weight and skin off of the eyelids can help improve your vision as well. I was born and raised in the San Francisco Bay Area in Northern California. I attended Occidental College in Los Angeles where I studied biochemistry and art. After graduation, I was awarded a Fulbright scholarship to teach English in Hong Kong. From there, I volunteered in Thailand to work with Burmese refugees. I've always known I wanted to be a physician. However, my time abroad really fueled my interest in serving others through health and medicine. So I returned home to pursue a dual degree in public health and medicine at Touro University California. I completed an internship and residency in ophthalmology in a very busy trauma center in California. It was there that I gained a lot of experience in eyelid reconstruction and discovered my love for oculoplastics. I love oculoplastics because it combines art and aesthetics with ophthalmology and medicine. I joined Ocala Eye because I was very impressed with the integrity and passion of the other providers here. I love working here because of the amazing staff who come in every morning ready to work and help patients. Outside of work, I enjoy traveling, swimming, and spending time with family. My pride and joy is my miniature long-haired dachshund, Ollie. Another one of my passions is art, specifically drawing, screen printing, and ceramics. I also enjoy participating in medical mission trips, and I'm looking forward to joining the other providers here on their trips abroad. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I would love to meet you. To book an appointment, you can call us or visit us at ocalaeye.com.